Top tourist attractions in Romania. Fagaras Mountains. Romania starts off your journey with a challenging hike and mesmerizing sights. Wait! While enjoying this video, please subscribe to our channel. Pelisor Castle. Explore this castle, get inside and see the ornate interior of a unique collection of early 20th century Viennese furniture. Balea Lake. This popular tourist attraction is a gem to your itinerary, with stunning views, wildlife sightings and amazing photo opportunities. Bran Castle. If you know the story of Count Dracula, then you know already why you want to visit this place. Bicaz Mountain Lake. But after all the exploring, don't forget to calm your mind by taking yourself to admire the artificial beauty that exceeds expectations. Tureni Gorge. Get ready for rock climbing moments that will stand out on your holiday. Limestone caves and waterfalls await. Transfagarash Highway. The most beautiful road in Romania? We leave that for you to decide with jaw-dropping landscapes that take over. Piatra Secuiului. Looking for sweeping valley and village views at the end of your hike? Take the rocky trails right away. Sibiu. Get a taste of culture, history, diverse architecture and much more here. The medieval charm works throughout the city. Rock sculpture of Decebalus. In the end, don't miss out on a boat tour where you can see this colossal carving of the face of Decebalus. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Let us know which attraction caught your eye, comment below. And don't forget to subscribe our channel to watch more interesting and latest videos.